working on a breakthrough, but they need your help.
A new Alzheimer's study needs participants. We're joined now by Dr. Jose Soria, neurologist at the Neuron Clinic. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. Thank you for having me with you here today.
Whenever you hear anything about Alzheimer's and any possible breakthroughs, people, they perk up. They want to know. We've been trying for this for a while. Tell us about this new VivaMind study and what it's all about.
Yes, and we at the Neuron Clinic are very excited about this new clinical trial, the VivaMind clinical trial. It is testing a new medication called varoglutamstat that has received a fast track designation by the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, meaning that it has great potential. It is a medication that is testing if it can slow cognitive decline and functional decline. It's an easy-to-use medication with a great safety profile. It is a twice-a-day medication.
Doctor, we know more and more Alzheimer's touching many families. So there might be people who are watching right now who would be interested in say, how can we get someone maybe in our family to participate and qualify to even participate in this trial? Who are you looking for?
Yes, we need participants. We are including participants who are the age 50 to 89 years of age,
okay,
and have a diagnosis of mild cognitive impairment or mild cognitive changes or early Alzheimer's disease dementia. We are very focused on recruiting participants from underrepresented groups. We want a diverse population included in the trial. We are looking for Latino patients, African American patients, and Asian clinical participants. This is essential to advance research.
You mentioned 50 to 89, and I feel like we've heard a lot more in the last couple of years about early onset, where people are just younger and younger having these kind of deterioration, if you will. Why is that happening? Or is it just more people getting out and getting tested or being more aware of it? Why are we seeing more of that?
We are seeing, as we learn more about the disease process and how early it really begins, the early biological changes, there is more awareness now in the community. So patients and clinical trial participants are more aware, they're self-aware, they're monitoring their symptoms, and they do come to clinic, they come to clinical trial sites, and that's one of the reasons that we've seen.
Okay, let's talk about this drug. I'm gonna let you pronounce it and not me. You can pronounce it?
Yes, it's varoglutamstat.
Okay, varoglutamstat. How is this different than some of the other drugs in clinical trials? Why is this so promising?
It is a very promising medication, and we're very excited because of the ease of use. It's a twice-a-day oral medication.
Just like a pill?
Just like a pill.
Okay.
It can be taken at home twice a day, and it also has a great safety profile, and it has been determined by the FDA as a fast-track designation. We are going after inflammation. We are going after the toxic proteins in the Alzheimer's disease process. Specifically, that this medication will block the formation of a toxic species, a toxic form of the amyloid protein that is only in the brain of patients with Alzheimer's disease.
So what will it do? What are you hoping? Let's say this does get approved and this is what you've been looking for. What will it do for these patients?
The goal and the hope is that it will slow and ultimately, ideally, bring to a stop the disease process.
Wow.
So there's the early days, and hopefully we can do this with the medication that a person can take at home, that it doesn't require a high cost, a high burden of use, and long-term, ideally, be able to manage the symptoms chronically and avoid the decline that comes with the disease.
I mean, the way you present it, it seems like a dream scenario. You pop a pill twice a day and it slows it down dramatically, maybe even eliminate. That's incredible. I wanted to ask you once more. You mentioned minorities are important for the study, Hispanic, Black, Asian. Is there a difference in terms of why is that? Is it because you want to call more attention to minorities to get tested for this kind of thing, or does it actually have a scientific benefit to it, or why?
We want to understand the population that we're serving, and we want to be as inclusive as possible in clinical trials. We want to know the answer to that question.
Sure.
And the questions have come up. We don't know the answer, and we hope to answer them through this trial and other trials as well.
And that's why these trials are so important, because if people don't participate, there's no way to really, I mean, it's fascinating stuff, a potential game changer and everything else. Dr. Jose Soria with the Neuron Clinic, we thank you. Keep up the good work.
Yeah.
Listen, we're sitting here putting on makeup and telling jokes. You're doing amazing work.
Thank you.
Thank
to
you.
both of
Happy
you.
holidays.
Thank you.
Thanks
Happy
for being here.
holidays
Happy
coming up.